Okay, here's my cake, all cooled down, and I'm about to ready to put the frosting on the cake. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, I did post this. I mean, I did place the cake on a nice plate. Plus, I forgot to mention in the last video, if the cake is still at a hot temperature, it's a perfect temperature to serve it with vanilla ice cream. But you guys could do whatever you want. Sometimes I even put powdered sugar on the chocolate cake. That tastes really good too. But this time, I just want to put chocolate frosting on it. Well, one time I made a white cake in the microwave. I wait for it to cool down completely. Then I cut the cake in half, and I put whipped cream and strawberries on the in the middle where I cut the cake in two, and then after that I frost up the cake with whipped cream, and then I put more strawberries on top. It was just a gorgeous cake, and I did that with a vanilla cake too. And believe it or not, I actually made a red velvet cake in the microwave too. All right. Sorry about that. I'm not the best cake decorator in the world, but then again, who isn't the best cake decorator in the world? I'm gonna put these on top. Yeah, some roses or whatever they are. Hey, there it is. My cake all frosted and ready to be enjoyed. And the cake is nice and moist, and you guys are going to love this. I mean, you can do whatever cake flavor you want in the microwave. Alright. Okay. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy your cake in the microwave. Alright. Have a wonderful day.